It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. How to care for your dog mental health, trauma in dogs. Trauma in dogs can have multiple origins, from unwanted incidents to deliberate acts of harm. They can take the form of isolated traumatic events or prolonged exposure to stressful circumstances. It is important to recognize that even what may at first seem like a mild experience can leave lasting scars on the psyche of certain dogs. Trauma has a complex and nuanced definition that does not fit a one-size-fits-all solution. It manifests in ways unique to each dog. Types of trauma in dogs. These are the common ways trauma can manifest in dogs. 1. Unintentional causes of trauma. Unforeseen and unintentional incidents such as car collisions, sudden accidents, or the dire consequences of natural disasters. Dogs, with their keen senses, are particularly susceptible to terror from loud, abrupt noises, such as fireworks, thunderstorms, or gunshots. 2. Deliberate harm. In contrast, intentional harm to dogs involves distressing acts such as abuse, neglect, or cruelty, which can lead to lasting emotional trauma. This distressing behavior can manifest itself in a variety of ways, including physical harm, prolonged neglect, or inhumane treatment. 3. Singular events and chronic stressors. Trauma can arise from singular events, such as an encounter with an aggressive dog. Similarly, it can result from sustained exposure to ongoing stressors, such as living in a tumultuous or abusive environment. Signs of trauma in dogs. Recognizing the signs of trauma in your dog is critical to early intervention. Here are some common signs to look out for. Fear, anxiety, and stress. Avoidance behaviors, such as hiding, shaking, or cowering. Aggressive behavior. Destructive tendencies. Changes in appetite. Weight loss. Excessive vocalization. Changes in sleep patterns. Excessive grooming. Changes in social behavior. House soiling. Treatment approaches. Consulting a veterinarian or animal behaviorist is the first step in assessing the severity of the trauma and developing an appropriate treatment plan. In some cases, medications may be prescribed to relieve anxiety and fear. However, medication alone is rarely sufficient. Behavior modification techniques are often a key component of treatment. Two effective techniques are desensitization and counter-conditioning. Desensitization involves exposing the dog to the traumatic trigger in a controlled and gradual manner. This helps the dog build tolerance and reduces fear over time. Counter-conditioning focuses on creating positive associations with the traumatic trigger. For example, if a dog is afraid of loud noises, offering treats or playtime during these noises can help the dog associate them with positive experiences. Timing and supervision are critical when implementing these techniques. It is essential to work at the dog's pace and make sure the process does not re-traumatize the dog. Mental activities and maintaining routine and structure is also important. Consistency is critical to aiding a traumatized dog's recovery. Dogs thrive on routine and structure that provide a sense of security and predictability. Providing alone time. Creating a safe, quiet space for your dog is critical to his well-being. This designated area should be a comforting refuge where your dog can seek solace when overwhelmed by external stimuli or stressors. Exercise and play therapy. Physical activity and play therapy are powerful tools to strengthen the bond with your traumatized dog. Regular exercise not only benefits your dog's physical health, but also helps reduce anxiety and stress. Engage your dog in activities he enjoys, whether it's fetch, agility training, or a leisurely walk in the park. Helping a traumatized dog recover requires patience, understanding, and professional guidance. Trauma can take a profound toll on a dog's mental health, but with proper treatment, consistency, and a loving environment, dogs can heal and regain their sense of safety. Owners play a critical role in supporting their dog's mental well-being, and while the process can be complicated, there is real potential for a dog to improve. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.